In today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your eBay account permanently. If this video does help you out, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and we'll jump into the video. So what you need to do is make sure you're logged into your eBay account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and then go to help and contact. Once you've done that, it's going to bring up the customer service page and we can search for something we need help with. In our case, we're going to type in close, and we need to click on the article that says closing your account. Now you can read a little bit about closing the account, but if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, we can then request to close the account. It will take around 30 days to close the account once eBay receive the account closure form, but after that your account will be permanently deleted. So just click close account, and then you can expand on that if you want. Click continue, and your account will be sent off to eBay. Then they'll review it and they'll send you an email within 24 hours to tell you that your account's been deleted, which will then take up to 30 days. So thanks for watching. If this video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.